Welcome back to our math series for grade 7. In our last video, we learned about integers. Today, we are going to explore how to add and subtract integers. Let's dive right in. Our objective today is to understand how to add and subtract integers using rules and number lines. First, let's talk about adding integers. We can use a number line to help us visualize this process. Imagine you have the number 3. To add 5 to 3, we start at 3 on the number line and we move 5 steps to the right. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now let's add a negative number. Let's try 3 plus minus 4. Start at 3 and since we are adding a negative number, we move 4 steps to the left. 3 plus minus 4 equals minus 1. Here are the rules for adding integers. Positive plus positive equals positive. Negative plus negative equals negative. Positive plus negative or negative plus positive. Take the absolute value of each number. Subtract the smaller from the larger and give the result the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. Here's a quick tip. Always the sign of the greatest number is taken as the sign of the product. Remember, this step is only for addition and subtraction. Next, let's move on to subtracting integers. We can also use a number line for this. Let's subtract 4 from 7. On the number line, start at 7 and move 4 steps to the left. So, 7 minus 4 equals 3. To subtract a negative number, let's look at 7 minus minus 2. When we subtract a negative number, it's the same as adding the positive equivalent. So, 7 minus minus 2 becomes 7 plus 2. Therefore, 7 minus minus 2 equals 9. Here are the rules for subtracting integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. For example, a minus b becomes a plus minus b. Then follow the rules for addition that we just learned. Let's practice with a few problems. Pause the video if you need more time to solve them. Here are the answers to the questions. How did you do? Great job if you got them right. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing and it will get easier. Now, let's talk about where we use addition and subtraction of integers in real life. For example, if the temperature is minus 2 degrees and it rises by 5 degrees, we add minus 2 plus 5 equals 3 degrees. If you spend $10 from your $30 saving, you subtract 30 minus 10 equals $20 left. To summarize, adding and subtracting integers is simple once you know the rules and how to use a number line. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video where we'll explore more exciting maths concepts. Thank you for watching. Here are some more practice problems to try on your own.